I've been drowning in my pain. I've been drowning in my pain. It feels so bad. I've been drowning in my pain. It feels so bad. You feel my sorrow. I've been drowning in my pain. It feels so bad. You feel my sorrow.
I've been drowning in all of this pain. What I got, so I still hold my faith. I be sinning, but I'm not a saint. If you're not religious, you cannot relate. They don't know I be doing good things. Plus it's headed and this is remains. 30 killing, I dip in the bank, and now I'm flashing money all in their face. Shit, I just made 100 today. How I come out the gym with this paid? Shit, I might just pull up in their rave.
Threw a bag on the dash, it's been spacious. Do the dash, not a rocket, the spaceship. She seen dress, she thought I was Jamaican. She got almond eyes like she Asian. Ain't got time for persuasion.
But they gon' hate me if I make it, cause I ain't even been worried about jewelry now. Shorty say all she want is a bust down, and we been making plays, so we up now. Stacking money so tall I can't fall down.
Back then I was down on my ass, and now I'm running up a bag, and I'm just tryna play it. And I'm tired of getting off these packs, but I'm counting all the racks. We don't play about it. So let her come and test. No, we gon' put his ass to rest. No, they don't play about it.